Aloha everyone, my name is Nalea. I come from the islands of Hawaii, and today I'm going to be teaching you a basic hula move, the kaholo. So the first thing we're going to do is focus on our feet. So hands here, and we're going to go to the right. We usually always start on the right. So 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. So the next thing we're gonna do is bend, aiha'a, which means bend in Hawaiian. And you're gonna do the same foot movement that you did earlier. And you wanna keep your heels off the ground. That way your heels are peeling. Your feet are doing a peeling motion. So aiha'a, and to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, so the last step we have here is focusing on our upper body. So you want to think tall, and our kumu always says you pretend as if fairies are pulling you up. And then for your hands, it's gonna be mid-chest, pointing out this way. Your hands are gonna face the direction that you go. And then you're gonna add a wave, which is just your thumb and your middle finger, and you pretend as if you are rolling a pencil. And your head follows the direction of your hands. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to kaholo, and we'll see you guys next time. Ahui ho!